I'm Ivan McCauley. I'm the category manager at Coolpak Coolstores in Rolleston. Coolpak's a 3PL logistics company. We have chilled and frozen product. We import and export, main areas being dairy, fish and vegetables. So we bring stuff in, keep it cold and then export it when required. We had another product on site here which we had to move anyway, so when we did that we thought we'd upgrade to these doors which we'd seen at a customer site. They looked to be far superior to what we had, so they've got a lot of safety features, and that's the main thing. We want everyone to go home safe every day. So the main safety features with them are the staging lights. So as a truck backs in, it'll go to orange and then it'll go to red where they need to stop. And just as importantly is the chocks. They've got an electronic chock, so the dock doesn't operate unless the chock's under the wheel. So the main reason for that is that a truck can't move if they've left a brake off, or which will prevent a forklift falling out or someone getting hurt. So that's why it needs to be there. With a manual chock you have no idea whether it's in place or not, whereas with the electronic chock it means that the dock doesn't operate without it. So the older group have got these bump rails, so that means that the truck can't miss badly and actually strike the product. It has to be within the defined lines to be straight onto the dock. Well, having these docks installed means that we have 3 of them, which we have 2 forklifts operating. It means 1 truck can stage at a time, so that's the theory behind having the 3 docks. It means that we can load the trucks outside, so it reduces the amount of truck traffic inside. They're just trouble free, whereas we had service agents out regularly trying to keep some other docks going. We've found Alti Group great to work with. Ben's been great, so we initially got Ben to take us for a site visit to look at these docks in more detail on another site, and then took our contractors that were going to install them to go and have a look as well. They turned up when they said they were, they installed them the way we wanted them, and they've been pretty trouble free since.